Hello everyone, here's what the finished ears of the elk looks like. Now, let's crochet this section together using 10 yarn. For round 1, we need to work 3 chain stitches, 1 single crochet from the second stitch from hook, then work 1 single crochet, 1 chain stitch and 1 single crochet in 1 stitch, and another 1 single crochet. Now, left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the yarn tail facing you. Hold on the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn with the tip of the hook facing you. Rotate hook from bottom to top to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. So we got 1 slip knot. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. Repeat with 2 more chain stitches. This is the first chain stitch from hook. This is the second chain stitch. Insert hook back into the second stitch from hook and work 1 single crochet. Mark the stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch to work 1 single crochet. And work 1 chain stitch next. Continue with 1 single crochet in the same stitch. And work 1 single crochet in next stitch. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Put the yarn tail on the hook, then crochet over it as you work to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. The slip stitch at the end of each round is just for transitioning, it does not count as a stitch. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 6-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Now, we have finished 1 earpiece of elk. We need to crochet another earpiece in the same way. Finished the ears of elk.